Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. By Malcolm X.
I am K. Shrutika, Department of English.
Now I am going to present the video on challenges in learning English as a second language. English is a language brought by British. Though they left us, English language still live with us and it has occupied its place in a global level. Let's see some methods for learning English easily. The methods are grammar translation method, direct method, audiolingual method, community language teaching method, silent way method, suggestopedia method, total physical response method, nature approach method. First, grammar translation method. What is grammar translation method? The grammar translation method is a method of teaching foreign languages derived from the classical method of teaching ancient Greek and Latin. In grammar translation classes, students learn grammatical rules and apply those rules by translating sentences between the target languages and the native languages. Next, we are going to see about direct method. What is meant by direct method? Let's see. Direct method is a method of foreign or second language teaching which insists that only the target language should be used in class and meaning should be communicated directly by associating speech forms with the actions, objects, mime, gestures and situations. Next, we are going to see about audiolingual method. What is meant by audiolingual method? Let's see. This method is based on behaviorism. Language should be become automatic habit formation through drill and pattern practice. In this method, the main objective is to help the learners acquire accurate pronunciation and behaviorist focus on words. Audiolingual method focuses on structures. Next, we are going to see about community language teaching. What is meant by community language teaching? Let's see. Community language learning is a language, a teaching approach focused on group and it gives an interest on learning. Next, we are going to see about silent way method. What is meant by silent way method? Let's see. The silent way method is a methodology of teaching language based on the idea that teachers should be as silent as possible during a class, but learners should be encouraged to speak as much as possible. Next, we are going to see about suggestopedia method. What is meant by suggestopedia method? Let's see. Suggestopedia method is a method of teaching a foreign language in which students learn quickly by being made to feel relaxed, interested and positive. The method is developed because of argument that students naturally face psychological barriers to learning. Next, we are going to see about total physical response method. Let's see. Total physical response is a method of teaching language or vocabulary concepts by using physical movement to react to verbal input. TPR can help teach new vocabulary and lesson materials. This is called total physical response method. Next, we are going to see about nature approach method and decision loss method. Natural approach belongs to a tradition of language teaching methods based on an observation and interpretation of how learners acquire both first and second languages in non-formal settings. Such methods reject the formal organization of language as a prerequisite to teaching. Next, we are going to see about challenges that's faced by students. Students can have various difficulties and problems in learning English. They can make different mistakes in English like pronunciation, grammar, orthography and vocabulary usage. Then, let's see sign languages of alphabet and numbers from A to Z and 0 to 9.
These are the sign languages of alphabets and numbers.
As the most spoken language in the world, English holds a huge part in the communication. English also helps students to understand the subject that written in English properly. Besides that, it makes the people keep in touch although they have different language and come from different country. At last but not least, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams by Eleanor Roosevelt.
English is an easy language. It is not a measurement of intelligence. So everyone can learn and speak English. Thank you.